Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to create quote template in Zoho CRM. So first things first, you want to open your web browser and you want to go to Zoho CRM. Once you're logged in into your account and you are now here at the homepage, you want to locate the setup, which is over here at the left side bar and represented by a settings icon or a gear icon. So you want to click on that. Then you want to locate the customization tab. Then under here, you'll be able to see templates. So you want to click on that. Then over here at the top, we want to select inventory. Then we're going to click on new template. Then over at module, you want to make sure that you have selected quotes. Then you're going to click on next. And over here, you'll be able to see a bunch of templates that you can utilize. So you can go ahead and see all of the templates that are available, and you want to select which one you'd like to start off with. So once you've selected a template that you'd like to use, you're going to click on select. Then it will open up the template. Then you can go ahead and edit this whole template. You can remove some elements if you want, and you can also add new components, which you can see over here at the left side bar. You can utilize all of the components that are available here. You can add new text, images, columns, tables, and you can also change the background. Then you can also utilize the text options over here at the top. So once you have done editing your template, you're going to enter a template name for the template that you've created over here at the left corner. So just go ahead and type in a name for this template that you have made. And after that, you can click on PDF preview over here at the top if you want to see how your template looks like as a PDF. Then if you're already okay with that, then just click on save over here at the top. Then you're going to click on save now. Then you're going to select a folder where you want to save this template that you have made. Then click on save again. And that's it. I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.